Hello friends, Drew here in beautiful West Grove, Pennsylvania. A client of ours that we've done several projects for has asked us to expand their deck. So they have up there something like 10 by 12 right now. They want to add another 8 by 12 over here to the side. And so we're gonna be working on that for them. Coming up here in just a couple of days. Rainy day today, we just got our lumber delivered. We've got our cement here bagged up and all of our boards ready to go. And so what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be disassembling all the siding above the back door here, below those windows, so we can get the new ledger board across where it needs to be, flash that in properly, ice and water shield drip cap, and preparations for the strong ties back into the house so we connect it to the joist system inside of the house. We're gonna take all the railings down, and then we'll have the new deck framing set up, and then we're gonna picture framing continuous trecks and run continuous trecks across both decks, and then put a brand new handrail up all the way around on this. So it's sort of a redeck, it's also an expansion, and permits came in a day or two ago, and so we just got our lumber delivery, and we're finishing up things in the finished basement that we're working on down around the corner. And so once that project wraps up, then we'll be able to get over here and start when we got some good weather. So we got everything delivered today. The guys and I carried it around and set it here in the back porch and wrapped everything in plastic that needed to be. And cement's taking care of all the important parts for the railing system and stuff are inside. All the connectors, all the screws, all the fasteners, everything that we're gonna do to make this pretty. So I just wanted to give you kind of the before view, because sometimes that gets lost in translation. We get so busy ripping and tearing and getting ready to get started that I don't get that before video done for you. So here you go. This is what it looks like before. And in just a few weeks or so, we ought to be in here rocking and rolling, starting tearing it apart. And shouldn't take us more than about 7 to 10 days, I think, to get this apart, up, and back together and ready to be used. So we do have a couple of inspections that we have to wait for. We've got a footer inspection, a framing inspection, and a final. So we'll have to get those scheduled, and that could potentially slow things down while we wait for that stuff to happen. But it's gonna be a pretty awesome project. So we're also talking with them about, once this is finished, whether we come back in and remove all the brick patio here and possibly put in a stamped concrete patio for them. So this will all get replaced potentially. So that's something we're still having conversations about, of exactly what that's going to look like and what pattern and what color. So we're going to make sure that what we do with our post, this center post here, in order for it to actually be centered, is going to have to move about a foot, 6 inches to a foot further over, so that it's going to be centered on the new deck. And we've got a new 20-foot beam to help connect the old stuff and the new stuff and tie it all together. So we'll have three beams with 3 support posts across this when we're done. And then, like I said, we're working with stamped concrete to see what we can look at putting in here for them when we're finished. So that's what we're working on here today. 𝗂𝘁'𝘀 Construction and Renovation is your Pennsylvania home improvement contractor, number 88078. If we can solve a problem for you, give our staff a call weekdays, 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon at 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for 𝗂𝘁'𝘀 Construction and Renovation, extension 2. For new projects, and we'll be happy to assist you. Roofing, siding, windows, doors, decks, kitchen, basements, bathroom remodels. If it's leaking, call us. There's no problem in your house that we can't solve for you. Take a picture of it, send it to us on our Facebook page. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to our channel and click that bell notification so you do get the updates when we post our videos. And we look forward to serving you soon. Remember, we're done with it. You'll be proud to say it's not just done, that it was 𝗂𝘁 built. We'll catch you guys in another video. Bye for now.